So, you have to do some virtual teaching all of a sudden, huh? Well, here's a tutorial that I hope will help you do some distance teaching using video. So I recommend using video for 3 reasons. 1, keeps the lesson personal, right? Since you've been building this good rapport with your students, they'll appreciate seeing you. They miss you. Secondly, our students are really visual, right? Seeing their teachers give examples and directions will help them better understand what's expected of them. Thirdly, with video, students can go pause and rewind as needed in case they miss something. Students are very distracted on a normal day, and with all the disruption to life that's been going on, their attention spans... Sorry, what were we talking about again? Anyway, practicing what I preach. Here's how I made this video. You take your phone, turn on the video camera, you hit record, you do your teaching, you show an example or two, stop the video, find the recording on your phone, tap on it, and you'll find the share symbol. So on an Android, it'll look like this. On an Apple, it'll look like this. And then tap on that button. Okay. Then you'll choose one of these 2 apps, either Google Drive or YouTube. All right. And that will be what you need to share it. All right. Both of those work seamlessly with Google Classroom. If you're watching this tutorial on the slide deck, keep going through the slides to see what to do next. If you're seeing this on YouTube, find the link in the description for the next steps. Thanks for watching.